Breaking news, a Chinese AI startup, DeepSeek, has just disrupted the entire AI landscape, sending shockwaves through Wall Street and causing massive tech sell-off. What's happened? Why are stocks like Nvidia and Microsoft tumbling? And what does this mean for the future of AI? Let's dive in. Today we're covering the rise of DeepSeek, a relatively unknown Chinese AI firm that just unveiled a revolutionary model rivaling the likes of ChatGPT and OpenAI's GPT-4. It's powerful, efficient, and shockingly low cost, leaving investors questioning the dominance of US tech giants. DeepSeek's newest AI model, DeepSeek R1, has not only matched, but in many cases surpassed the capability of its Western competitor. The model boasted advanced reasoning, low training cost, and performance that's shaken the foundation of generative AI. Even more shockingly, it was built using less powerful GPUs due to export restrictions, making it a low-cost disruptor. US companies like Nvidia, Microsoft, and Google saw their stock plunging overnight. Nvidia dropped nearly 12%, wiping out billions of dollars in market value. Why? DeepSeek efficiency suggests companies may need fewer GPUs to build state-of-the-art AI models, threatening Nvidia's bottom line. Here's what set DeepSeek apart. While OpenAI's GPT-4 requires over 60 million GPU hours on high-end Nvidia chips, DeepSeek's model achieved comparable performance using just 2.78 million GPU hours on China-compliant hardware. This efficiency, forced by US export restrictions, could set a new global standard. But it's not just cost. DeepSeek R1 integrates chain of thought reasoning, allowing it to outperform competitors in complex problem-solving tasks like coding, math, and logic area where even ChatGPT struggles. The news has investors panicked, with analysts worried that this breakthrough undermines the perceived dominance of the UA tech giants in AI. Some speculate that this could open the floodgate for global competitors to enter the AI race, cutting into profit for companies like OpenAI and Meta. However, some are skeptical. Critics argue DeepSeek may have exaggerated its efficiency claims or relied on pre-trained weight from Western models like Llama. Whether true or not, the uncertainty is enough to rattle the market. This isn't just about one company or one stock. DeepSeek's success highlights a broader shift. AI development is becoming faster, cheaper, and more accessible. As the barrier to enter drop, we could see a surge in new AI startups globally, leveling the playing field. And while some see this as a threat, it's also an opportunity. Imagine a world where startups and small companies can train powerful AI systems without needing billions in funds. The disruption is just beginning. DeepSeek's rise is a wake-up call for the AI industry. It challenges the status quo and reminds us that innovation doesn't always come from the biggest players. Whether this is a temporary shock or a long-term trend remains to be seen, but one thing is clear: the AI landscape will never be the same. What do you think? Will DeepSeek reshape the future of AI? Are US tech giants in trouble, or will this only push innovation further? Drop your thoughts in the comment below and let's start conversation. If you found this news helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.